Okay, so this is our winter wonderland of the morning. Oh, that's Ricky's shoveling job. He does pretty well. But yeah, there's trucks and buses stuck. Our public transportation isn't running. Let me show you. These are our steps. At least our stuff is clean. Go check on Rick. Hi.
Hey.
Are you having fun? No. Yeah, but we have, let me try to put it in your perspective. This much snow.
Hi.
Yeah, it's a ton of damn snow. It's a pain in the butt. That's Rick's car over there behind the one mound. Some people have snow blowers, which is nice, but we don't.
Look at this mountain.
Oh, this is Rick's plowed mountain. Yeah.
Mountain O Snow.
Mount what?
O Snow.
Mount O Snow.
Mount O Snow.
Yeah.
I think I'm done.
Okay. So yeah.
I have a nice hot cup of coffee.
What are you gonna have?
A nice big cup of hot coffee. Not cold, but hot. And some PlayStation 3.
Ah.
Oh yeah. Alright.
So yeah, this is our amusement of the day.